Marhay na aldaw po sa Indogabos. Ako si Ana Angelica Abaya Van Dorn. Ang sa kong alias as a writer ay Angelica Hopes. Ngunyan ang babasahon ko, duwang tula hali sa ikalima kong libro, Hagupit kan Haiku. Kaso rin ako nakanood maghagupit. Inikan may mga ingratang babaknit na tinupos-tupos tinda akong kulgan. Rauton, basulon, masupugon, lait-laiton, minus-minuson. Asin kulang na lang gadanon, pero yan naman talaga ang pakay ninda. Gadanon ang sakong reputasyon, integridad asin pagkatao. Dungisan, apak-apakan asin rauton ang sakong dignidad. Nagtagumpay basinda, dae. Siguro naman, duman sa punto de vista na pano ning karautan para sa inda, raot na ako. Para sa inda, ako itong lokaret o rautan payo na gusto nindak pirming ihampas, pasupugon, asin gusto nindang paniwalaon sa mga tao na raot na mananggad ang sakong pag-iisip. Gabos ini mayong katotoohan, gabos ini kaputikan, gabos ini karautan, gabos ini gibo-gibo kan mga usmak na kalag, kan mga taong mahihilig man raot kan reputasyon, imahen, integridad, pagkatao, asin dignidad kan sa indang target na biktima. Nagkataon saro ako sa mga pinuntarya ninda. Dainin sinda nagtagumpay, kaput ko ang katotohanan. Ang mga putikon, hambugon, paralibak, chismosa, abusado, abusada, agresiba, agresibo, na mga tikas na manipulador, asin mga budulista, mga gahama na mandurugas, mandaraya, gabus sinda, mga losers. Daog sinda. Ang nagkakaputkan katotoohan, ang nasa tama, legal, asin honesto, yan ang pirminggana. Day kayang daogon kan mga putikon, ang mga taong honesto. For my English-speaking listeners who are watching today, I'm sharing you 2 poems from my 5th book, Whip of Haiku. The book is a behavioral haiku originally written in Bicol language. That's the language of my mother in Camarines Sur, or in Region 5 of the Philippines. And the book is both written in Bicol language and English. Whip of Haiku. When did I learn to backlash whip through haiku? That was when there were ungrateful women who targeted to hurt, destroy, blame, shame, destructively criticize, slander, backstab, gossip, and narcissistically group bullied me to ruin my reputation, integrity, and character. They dehumanized me in their intention to destroy my dignity. Did they succeed? No. Maybe in the point of view of who are evil, for them, I'm already ruined. They all believed the lies that, according to them, I'm a mentally ill person, a brain-damaged person, which they all rejoiced in the social media, to shame through their calumny and slander, where they wanted others to believe that I am a crazy person. All these are false. All these are lies. All these are done by their evil minds. All of these were done by toxic souls of people who are fond of destroying the reputation, persona, character, reputation, integrity, and dignity of their target victim. It just happened I was one of their targeted victims. They failed. I held on the truth. Those liars, deceivers, backstabbers, gossip mongers, abusers, aggressors, agitators, saboteurs, troublemakers, cons, scammers, Machiavellian manipulators, and deceivers are all losers. The ones who hold the truth, factual, legal, honest, ethical, and lawful shall always triumph. Destructive liars cannot defeat honest people. Ngunyan, ang sakong babasahon, ang titulo, An Budul-Budol. Marhay na pakay, marhay na tao daa, budul-budol niya. Dapat tabangan, hustisya ang hanap, budul-budol niya. Naghagad perak, pamplete kan senador, budul-budol niya. Hagad pagkaon, tinawan mo naman, budul-budol niya. The scammer. There's a goal. She pretends to be a good person. That's her scam. She expressed to be helped. She seeks justice. That's her scum. She asked for money and donations, airfare donations, for a senator. That's her scum. She asked for food. You gave her enough. That's her scum. Nagpanggap. Ngaran, nagsaging lalaki siya. Budol-budol niya. Nagparabiyahe, siging hagad donasyon. Budol-budol niya. Natiklo na siya. Pigsahutan ang iba. Budol-budol niya. Pinasupog niya. Gabos na naging biktima. Binudol-budol niya. She has many aliases, pretending to be a man. That's her scum. She traveled a lot. She kept on asking for donations. That's her scum. Some people found out about her. She reversed and blamed them, slandering them. That's her scum. She shamed all her victims. That's her scum. Kaput sa liog ang mga politikong budol-budol niya. Maating kawat, itinago niyang krimen. Budol-budol niya. Naging leader pa, advokasiyang marahay. Budol-budol niya. Nagpanggap siya, abogada na siya. Budol-budol niya. She holds on the neck all those politicians. That's her scum. Dirty games. She hid her crimes. That's her scum. She became a leader of a good advocacy. That's her scum. She pretended to be a lawyer. That's her scum. Naghagad perak, abogada da siya. Budol-budol niya. Nang takot pa siya, abogada da siya. Budol-budol niya. Nagpanggap pa siya, madunungo na marahay. Budol-budol niya. Expertise daan niya. Manipulahon ang gabos. Budol-budol niya. She asked for money, pretending to be a lawyer. That's her scum. She threatened others while pretending as a lawyer. That's her scum. She pretended that she's very intelligent. That's her scum. Her expertise, manipulate everyone. That's her scum. The second poem, iniyan ikaduwang tula na babasahon ko. Ang title, An Parabudol. Tawong utikon, mayong konsensya, gadan. Pusong maliklom. An parabudol, mamundoon ang kalag. Pusong maraot. An parabudol, ekspertong laway, hambog, inuutok ka. An parabudol, daima akong sala, ibang basulon. Mauring tawo, marauton na tao, lapa ang kalag. The translation of that haiku in Bicol is this comer. A liar. She has no conscience. Dead. A dark heart. This comer. She has a lonely heart. An evil heart. This comer. The expert lying saliva fools you. This comer. She never admits mistakes. She blames others. An envious person. An evil person. A rotten soul. Inani katulong tula na babasahon ka. Ang demonyang halas. Demonyang halas. Ekspertong parautik. Tuto kaon ka. An kahambugan. Lason kan kautikan. Rarauton ka. An kalukuhan. Puro manipulasyon. Uutuon ka. Pirming magmasid. Konsensyang malinig. Laban sa kaot. Maghurup-hurup. Honesto. Marhay. Tama. Laban sa lason. This is the English translation of my Bicol haiku. The demonic snake. The demonic snake. An expert liar, she bites you. The lies, toxic lies, destroy you. The foolishness, pure manipulation, she misleads you. Always observe keenly. A clean conscience against evil. Reflect, honest, good, correct. Fight the toxicity. That's all for today. Yan lang po ngunyan muna. Tulog po si tula. I read 3 poems. For my writings, visit angelicahopes.com, odysseyofaheart.com. Follow me on Instagram at angelicahopesauthor. If you wish to write me at angelicahopesauthor at protonmail.com. Have a wonderful day. Take care.